Today I'm here with my brother Carson.
Hello.
And today we'll be making oobleck. Now, I have these 3 test tubes full of water.
Wait. What is oobleck?
Oh, you don't know what oobleck is?
No.
Oobleck is what's called a solid and a liquid. If you were to hit it with a big amount of force, it would be a solid. It would seem to be a solid. But if you were to say, if this was full of oobleck and just sink it into there, it would become a liquid. And that is because as the cornstarch molecules bump into the water molecules when you hit it too hard, so they don't have time to move out of the way. So that means it makes it a solid. But when you go very slowly, then that means it has time to move out of the way, so the water molecules are on the top.
Wow, that's very cool.
Thank
now,
you.
are you ready to start making?
Yes. So I'm going to be using...
First, we need some water. We
have all the 3 waters. Today we'll be using
red food color.
In spite of Halloween.
But you can choose whatever you want. You can do any color that you can think of. Okay, that's
do
1.
2 drops in each little one.
We might need to go get more water.
We may.
Okay, now time.
Okay, well then we gotta stir it. Stir.
While he's doing that, I'm going to begin the cornstarch, which is
half a cup of cornstarch. 1/2.
Is it this one? Or is it this one? Can't remember.
Half a cup.
This one?
Which one's this? 1.
Okay. Let me just... Oh, by the way, guys, if you try this at home,
be careful.
The cornstarch is the messiest part.
Be careful with the food coloring because it is permanent.
Unless if you have like a weird special type of food coloring.
Do not add it yet until I'm done pouring the water.
Pound it down.
We just soft. There you go. There he goes.
Okay, we're ready. Where's my stirring stick?
Stirring stick. And then you add this. Magic! And then you stir it nice and thick. And I'm going to need to get more water.
Fill it with 1/4. Make sure it's 1/4.
Yep. BRB?
Does it say 1/4?
Yep. Yes.
I don't need to. As you see, I'll point it towards you. The oobleck is starting to form into oobleck.
Jackson, stir the sides, honey.
I know, you gotta really stir the sides of the cornstarch with the cornstarch in there.
And we will show you how this actually works because it's very
And then add
weird. Stir it.
Carson, you stir while I add a little more cornstarch.
Okay.
We need a little bit more.
It's really hard to. Oh wait. It's really hard to stir since you're adding so much force. The cornstarch
I would
is
suggest having something to cover your table if you were to make this.
Either maybe a towel or as we have it, just plastic.
Okay, let me stir it for a minute or 2.
Oh.
And it is very messy. It flies everywhere.
Since you added a little, I'm going to go get...
No, I added 1/4, so it's now even.
Completely even?
Yeah, it's even.
Right.
And we need
these off the edges.
You want double the amount of cornstarch as there is water, just to make it even, so it's kind of trial and error.
Jackson, you will... Wait. Right, let me try it.
Do we need more cornstarch?
Tad bit more cornstarch.
Keep stirring off corn.
So
it gets harder as you stir it, the more it gets done.
Stop. So fun fact about oobleck. Oobleck is my actual favorite solid and liquid. But my favorite, it's my, I don't know how to, and I can't, and how it feels, I can't explain. It is just extraordinary.
If you guys could feel it, it would be very, very good.
See you tomorrow for your class.
No.
Okay, Jackson, can you go guess?
Let me make sure it's done.
Let me get one more couple. This
A little, like, fill it halfway.
Jackson, that's impossible. I think I just did the impossible. Can we move?
Oh, this is like stuck.
Okay, one more.
Just a little bit.
And now stir it around. And we should be completely
I think we may be done. It is
It's hard.
I think ladies and gentlemen, I think we may. Oh, there's a little bit.
Okay, let me show you this to the camera.
Hold on.
Right.
Tip it
This is what it looks like.
We can't see it.
It's gonna pour.
So when you squish it really softly, it moves out, and when you try to pull it out, it kind of grabs onto your finger and holds on. But when you go,
It's like it lifts up the bowl.
and when you push it in really hard, it moves out of the way like very slowly, and then when you try to pull it out really fast, it is harder than.
Carson, move.
Oh,
I'm gonna do something funny. Here it comes.
Right? Just do this.
Carson, lift your jacket.
Okay, let me just grab a puddle.
Extremely hard to do without getting a mess.
Do not get it on your clothes.
Because, look, can you see it's being a solid, and then
Yes.
suddenly,
It's
nice and solid.
I'm glad we're just doing this on the table.
this is absolutely hilarious. So this
This has been our experiment with oobleck. Fun fact, oobleck is actually, another term for it is called cornstarch mud because it's made from
Right.
cornstarch.
Right?
We hope you enjoyed
Right.
the making of oobleck by the Lays.
Right? No. Okay, turn it off.